John's just been called in because he's sick. There's another tourist boat out there heading into Milford Sounds. Lena and Yar down there having cocktails. She's waving. Natasha's in the kiddies area in there somewhere, behind those glass windows. This boat's following us. Wave. Wave, Lena. Yeah. The bar I was just sitting on before. Wave. Heading down to where the girls are.
We priced it for working into ornaments, tickies, so forth. It's been a little bit softer and easier to work with. Once it was
one more.
thinly and held up to the light, you could see flicks or teardrops through stone, or what looked like teardrops. Hence their name for it was colourlight, meaning teardrops. Still quite numerous amounts of it over there. In fact, a lot of the boulders on the left-hand side
Some glass here.
are in actual fact greenstone boulders. They were fossils along east and south looking for the spring zone. Climbing through the boulders to the other beach, and then I realised the boulders I was climbing over were greenstone.
Whoops, who have we got here?
Illusion.
Illusion, it is an illusion.
I was gonna hide and John put his card as soon as he put it, that's it.
Oh, see, oh, what an idiot.
Did you buy a beer for him before?
Yeah, I did.
Ah, see? Because he buy this for us, he put on his card straight away during it.
Ah.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.